watching KOMO News.
There's a new blood typing device in development in Seattle that's revolutionizing how emergency blood typing is done for all kinds of transfusions. In a KOMO exclusive, Denise Whitaker talked with the Seattle scientists who invented this.
It was one of the very few thunderbolt idea moments I've ever been around in science.
That lightning bolt moment? More than a decade ago, between hematologist Dr. Jill Johnson and bioengineer Dr. Dan Ratner. Their teamwork producing this new device to quickly determine someone's blood type, creating a new use for an old technology.
You're using a microchip that's like as big as my fingernail or something?
Exactly. And a chip the size of your fingernail can have hundreds or even thousands of different sensors on there.
Drop some blood on that microchip. Insert it into a device. 10 minutes later, the patient's blood type is revealed. Right now, this process takes 45 minutes to an hour. Precious time doctors could be using to save that patient's life.
You really need to get that blood type right.
That's the other part of this game-changing technology, quickly determining blood type for an exact match instead of relying on universal type O negative blood.
Only about 7% of the U.S. population is type O negative, so these universal units are always in scarce supply.
The team, working under the company's Cydex, just secured its patents for that microchip, which uses 64 sensors that can do much more than just determine blood type.
So that gives us a lot of different questions we can ask. So for the U.S. military, they're excited because we can both confirm a blood type of a potential donor and screen that donor for 4 infectious diseases.
Those 4 infectious diseases are hepatitis B, hepatitis C, HIV, and malaria. Again, information that can be given right on the spot. In Seattle, Denise Whitaker, KOMO News.
For the next step for these scientists is getting FDA approval for their new device.